Hey folks, a little cooler in the valley today than yesterday, but not dramatically so. The currents all in the 80s in the west, 79, 78 as you move eastward, 76 in Port Isabel at this hour. But a mild day. The clouds kind of kept things down just a little bit temperature-wise, and we even have a few light showers around earlier in the day. Your dew points are kind of back up from an hour ago or so. We're back in the mid-60s right now. We're going to have to bump up the muggy meter into the mid-60s, but those are tonight's lows, and then tomorrow's highs back in the 80s again. About 79 at the island, 81 in Harlingen and Westlake, 83 in McAllen. So tomorrow, about like today, maybe a degree or two warmer, but not a whole lot of difference. If you look at the normal high, the average for this time of year is 86. So we'll be well below that tomorrow, close to it on Saturday, and should be right on normal by the time we get to Sunday. Satellite has shown those clouds across the region much of the day, but some nice breaks in those clouds the last hour or two. The front pushing down to the south of us and the rain pushing away. We just saw those spotty showers early today. A lot of folks getting just a little bit of rain, but well, a lot of folks getting nothing as well. As expected, it was just spotty showers. Tomorrow afternoon, I think we see a mix of clouds and sun. Clouds are not going to go completely away, and I can't 100% rule out a brief shower in one or two spots, but most of the day for most of us should be dry tomorrow. Saturday, a slightly better chance for a couple of showers because we've got a couple of other fronts we're going to be dealing with that will help kick off maybe a shower or thunderstorm. But again, we're not talking rainy days either Saturday or Sunday, just the possibility of a shower or thunderstorm from late Saturday into early Sunday. The possibility exists, but a lot of places should stay rain-free once again. Across the rest of the state, a little cooler up to the north. Austin at 74 right now. Dallas only 69, Longview at 68 degrees, even in the Panhandle, 69 in Dalhart tonight. Most of the clouds that are in the state are right along the Rio Grande and right down into the valley. You look at East Texas, pretty quiet, patchy high clouds. That's about it today. The front kind of parallels the Rio Grande, sort of down to the south of us, and it will just eventually push down to the south and fade away. But the other end of that front turns into a warm front, so it grabs some warm air off the plateau of Mexico and pushes it into Texas. So we warm up a little bit for Saturday, back to normal. And then this other front kind of sneaks through late Saturday, early Sunday. That could be the focal point for a shower or thunder shower, and then we dry out after that. It looks like now for early next week, your rain chances should fade away. If you're headed to the coast, easterly winds 10 to 15 knots there. A moderate chop on the bay. The UV's extreme. Operators of small craft still urged to use caution. The wind's still up just a little bit. So tonight, mainly cloudy and mild, low 65. Easterly winds not more than about 6 to 12. Then tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, about 81 for a high. The east-southeasterly winds continue. Here we go, the next 7 days, 81, 85, 86. With that chance for a shower or thunderstorm, only 20 to 30% over the weekend, but the chance is there. Next week now looks dry. We've taken the rain chances, at least for now, out of the forecast for next week. Temperatures stay in the 80s by day, dropping into the 60s by night. Looks like it's pretty good across the valley. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Now